Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Like to propose one of the most important girls of your batch who is proposed to me, and I shall distribute chocolates to the entire batch. I love you.
Kali samla unung hikai hapok kelas. Uang I love you. Uwe unung hikai jong kawe ka college hakaran taka. Ula kali samla bat ula terwajing i cakawe ka kena hapok kelas. Hakabul ong hapok kelas. Hakmat ke babun. Kadon ka jing i na ka bats jong pi. Ngamla benelek persya ka jing i ka bakraw. Malai da ka bats jong pi nga. Nga terwahang ne. Ya kawe nagi kena kenthe. Hapok ka bats jong pi. Ka ba itna janga. Bat ngan ai chocolate da barok kawe ka bats jong pi. I love you. Ong unung hikai ka kena. Kabau itanat hakapuar bau pengkut ka jingkran jungu hadin bu no hikai uladap kren ka khana kabau terwajing i kalayang bat kalaong lada pikwa ban kren phide ban leci principal ka baslan ne ka kelas barok kawe kanwan bat phi une no hikai ulong ye phila ban wan balai pat terwayanga ka khana kala klini uno hikai bat kalaong menno terwaya phi uno hikai ulong balai pat phi ong I love you man nga ka khana kala klinia biang unong hikai menong terwaya pi unong hikai ula jubab kadon kadur haka CCTV ka khana kala ong pen iya ngaya kata unong hikai ula ong ngan sa pen iya pi la sai hadin ka jingkren unong hikai kelas ki khana kala hir thama yu unong hikai haplau jong ka college hadin ka ne ka jingja ka college kelas suspon unong hikai badla ujoru da ka FIR persya yu
And made me to come here. And it so happened that there was a substance of love from your batch who recalled me in fact. And I could not resist the immense love given by your batch. And I would like to propose one of the most important girls of your batch who is proposed to me, and I shall distribute chocolates to the entire batch. I love you, Hare Krishna.
Excuse me. If you want to speak, you can go to principal. Entire batch will come with you.
Yeah, you can come and
In
talk.
front of the
How come you
principal.
proposed to me?
When did I propose?
Why did you say that I love you, Mama man?
Excuse me.
Did you say that?
When did I propose?
There is a CCTV image.
Okay, show me that. Show me that.
Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow in brief.
I don't want to talk.
It's okay. Guys, you can have chocolates.
Hey,